okay? All right, so here we go. You have your first exponential pattern. Okay, what's occurring from step to step? How many little boxes are being added, or what's the pattern of growth?
Times 4.
Times 4. Okay, great. So you guys are going times 4, or if you want to put a dot for, you know, whatever you guys prefer. All right, because this has 1, 2, 3. This has 4 little boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 16. This is 64, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So how many boxes does step 4 have?
256.
256. So far, everybody look good? Yeah? Okay, so then walking around yesterday, you all had your step 1 was 4, 2 was 16, 3 was 64, 4 was 256. Okay, and then you went into expanded and expression, and so you guys did the function notation of the first step has 4. The second step, what is occurring? How do you get 4 boxes to become 16 boxes? And you take the prior and you multiply it by 4, and that's how you got 16. And then 64, so the third step, you got 16. How do you get 64? You multiplied it by 4. I'm trying to keep the same notation. Sometimes I want to put an X, sometimes I want to put a dot. I don't know. Okay, and then same, so for the fourth step, and like I said, I'll stop the video so that you can copy it. And so then this gets you into function notation where this is f of n. You always put the prior term, which is f of n minus 1. That's like the universal prior term, f of n minus 1, okay? And then you multiplied it by 4. You can put an X for, it's up to you. Some students will sometimes put it in the front. They'll go 4 times f of n minus 1. Mostly students put it in the back. But if you happen to see it in the front, it's the same, right? Okay, and then let me just highlight that common growth. Right, and so that's why that's my 4. Just fill this out and then stop the video, and then let you guys catch up. Yeah. Okay. So this is just 4, or you could think of it as 4 to the first power. This is 4 times 4, which is 4 squared. This is kind of exponential rule, right? Like the rules, the laws that you know. 4 times 4 times 4 is the same as 4 cubed. And then this is like 4 fours, which is 4. I'm running out of space. 4. You see it? It's really small. It's 4, 4. Okay. And so what's changing is the first step, there's your 1. The second step, there's your 2. The third step, there's my 3. The fourth, there's my step. So it's really 4 to that n power, right? That's kind of your exponent. Okay, so I'll leave it. I'll stop here. I'll kind of hold it for 30 seconds. I'll stop the video. You guys will figure it out that when I stop the video, this screen goes to the original. It goes back to the kickoff at the start of the video. And then when I hit save, I have to title it. It'll go into that buffering color wheel. And then once it stops, then you guys kind of get used to it, where if you're mid-copying, you kind of just wait for me. You wait for the buffering for the monitor to transfer it to the desktop. And then once I click video back, it'll revert back to this. And then you guys pick it up and copy again. You'll get used to it. It's, yeah, you guys kind of